How to stop Instagram story sharing on Facebook. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Facebook story sharing through Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, launch your Instagram application. Get logged into your specific Instagram account, then you will see a page like this. Tap onto your profile section, then tap on 3-bar icon on your top right hand side. Here scroll below. Under how others can interact with you, you will see sharing and reuse. You have to expand that option. Scroll all the way below and you will see apps at the below page. Open it. By default, it might be also set to your Facebook if you have connected your Facebook and Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and stop it. Tap onto it again. Automatically, this will lead you onto a page like this. Now here you have to make sure you have untoggled these buttons. And likewise guys, this is how you can stop Instagram story sharing on Facebook. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.